Imagine being stuck out in the woods with nothing but a piece of steel and some dry tinder. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a blazing fire with a ferro rod, and trust me, it's easier than you think. So let's go. Okay, in Florida, we got tons of resources. One of the best resources for fire making is our friend the cabbage palm right in front of us. And you see that in between all of these branches, there's all kinds of leaves and dead vines and everything else. But you can also see a bunch of stuff that looks like hair. And that's the stuff you want, at least for the beginning. And it just tears out. That is a great source of fire tinder. This is going to be really easy with a ferro rod. So I'm just going to grab a handful of this stuff because that's all you need. All you need to do is just start the fire. Everything else in Florida will go up like a matchstick. So let's go back to our fire pit and we'll collect some other small stuff. Okay, you guys know that one of the things that I always carry is my gun belt whenever I'm taking a hike. And it's all it has on it is a space bag, and it's got another fire kit. It's got my gun. It's got my old Buck Special 119 with a ferro rod in the holder. So we're going to use the ferro rod, and we're going to use the Buck Special. Let's go get this thing started. All right, here we go. We got our tinder bundle. We got our little sticks ready to go on it. And everybody's got their own way of how to strike a ferro rod. What I would suggest is that you don't hold the ferro rod and hit it, okay? What I would suggest is put the knife down, pull the ferro rod across it. So let's see how that's going to work. Okay. Okay. Well, something's burning. If I don't put it out. Looks like we got it. All right. You need plenty of tinder, and you need plenty of little stuff to go on it to establish your fire and get it going. But after that, you're gold. Look at that. Once you get some heat, some oxygen, and some flame, those sticks get caught, and that tinder gets caught, and you are no longer cold, and you're no longer in a bad survival situation with no fire. So, what did we learn today? Okay, today we learned just how easy it is to start a campfire with a ferro rod and a knife. Now, if you only had two things for survival, these two things would be indispensable in my viewpoint. You can always make a fire. You can use the knife to cut vines and bushes and branches and make a shelter. You could survive a night. It might not be too comfortable, but you could do it. Okay? So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. I don't know which way it's going to go. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and tell me what your favorite way of making fire is. And until next time, this is Matthew Floridaboy, and I will see you on the trail.